Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So let's just understand what just happened in previous example. We were trying to inject object. So idea was to have one field of object type. So this is a card class and card has two fields. So if we talk about just two different beans, so what we can do, we can create beans for these two types. Like one we have a card and one we have customer object. Okay, great. At least we know how to create beans for the project classes. That's done. Next is initializing the fields. So we know this is type and expiry and these are primitives and we have done this multiple times. So here we are using the same way, like giving the name, that is type. Here it's expiry, so expiry goes here and we are giving some values. So we have initialized the fields of card class. That's done. So this bean id card and the stuff will instantiate the class, and property tag will initialize the fields. Okay, good. We have done this earlier. Same thing is customer. So I have to create first of all bean for this project class. That's here bean id, and so bean will create this instance of the class. That's good. But now what about the field? So field is of object type. We cannot use value here. Value does not make any sense. Value is for primitives. So if you're using value is for primitives, ref is for object types. So what's the type of field here? It's a object type. Type of object is card. So what we did, instead of using value, we can use ref. Ref stands for reference. So what we are trying to do, we are referring this card here. So the key thing you have to notice here, if you're using object injection here, so id makes sense and it should be unique throughout your code. So this id is mapped and further it gets injected into customer object. So what we have here, we have this card object, and that's here. We have types and expiry for this card, that's here. And when it comes to printing, we were trying to print customer object, so it just gave you a customer object like that's the wrong way, sorry, not this one. From tester, this one, I took the wrong code, my bad. Let's just fix it. It's not from here. So I just want to show how things works. So first output from the screen is coming from this output, from this line. It says sysout card detail, and next output is coming from here. The second way, the actual way of using Spring Core feature. So that's how things works. Let me just align it so it looks better. And here we go. Okay, so first output from this line and second output from here. So that's how we inject objects in Spring by using its feature ref keyword of property attribute. So that's it guys. Let's meet in next video and there we will discuss about some different topic. Thanks for tuning in guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.